pretty good.
Okay.
Buttermilk and moss. Okay. Worst soup ever. It looks. What does it do? Maybe stuff's gonna grow on it. Yes!
No way.
That was fake.
This was fake.
But it looks cool. Maybe that works in real life.
Maybe, yeah. They just speed up the process and wanted to show us the everything, but maybe it could work.
Yeah.
But I have doubts about
I have doubts as well. Eggshell saplings.
Mm-hmm.
Very interesting.
Yeah, that's. I guess.
Not bad?
Not bad.
Ew,
yeah,
my shovel's all gross. We're gonna use some olive oil,
to lubricate it.
lubricate it, and make sure nothing sticks on it.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
I guess so.
That's why before I swim in the sewers, I always cover myself completely from head to toe in olive oil.
Uh-huh.
That way, nothing sticks on me.
Serious?
Yeah. Ooh, what is happening?
I don't know.
What happened?
I love
It's all
it.
happening so fast. Archie.
Stop it!
Why? Okay, so what is happening? Okay, so they're putting goo in a glove.
Yeah, it's.
Why? Why?
I don't know.
Okay.
I love him.
I thought you would know.
No,
You were a 5-minute crafter. You should know. Oh.
it's not about me, but this could be helpful, I guess.
That's true. That actually works.
yeah.
But not immediately like that.
You know, to put this everywhere.
Ugh. Ugh.
Aloe vera.
Freezing aloe vera. I didn't even think that was a possible thing.
That's possible. It's some kind of liquid, right?
And you use it underneath your eyes to remove dark circles.
Mm-hmm.
That's useful.
Is it the whole video about it?
Easy removal. Okay.
Give us more then. What else you can do with
To
it?
make a coconut smoothie. To get your protein up, I guess.
For drink? What?
Or not. I don't know what that is.
Why it's like.
Why? Does that help? Okay.
Wow.
That makes them grow, I guess.
Okay. Another thing. Wow.
Ooh. Ooh, that looks kind of fun.
Yeah, and the shape the same as your
That's
lip.
the lips.
Yeah, nice.
Ew.
Brush.
Ugh.
I don't know.
I don't know about that one.
Uh-uh.
Not a big
What
fan.
is-
Vitamin E. What does that do?
Uh-huh. To make something helpful.
That is so gross.
Stop!
Why would you put that in your hair?
How are you gonna get rid of it? I mean.
You're never gonna get rid of it. Ah, it looks
Okay.
good. Sense.
Okay. Wow.
Oh, okay. It's like a massage table. It's like how to be a farmer and also be lazy at the same time. Yeah, it looks good. I don't see anything wrong with that. Do you?
No, me too.
Yeah.
At all.
Okay, we're putting saplings inside
Uh-huh.
ice trays. Nice. Basket?
Oh, what?
What are we doing to the basket now?
Another trap.
Maybe another trap? I don't know.
Me too.
It looks like a mini greenhouse or something. I don't know. It looks like he's ruining the purpose of
Uh-huh.
having... Oh, okay.
Ah.
It's a mini greenhouse!
Greenhouse.
The one so
Okay.
you can control the light and stuff. That's good.
And easy to make it, right?
It looks pretty easy.
Oh, that.
If you guys ever want to grow any I don't know, tomatoes in your house, outside your house, do it. That's the proper way to take it out so you don't ruin any of the soil. You don't ruin any of the
Yeah.
roots.
Mm-hmm.
Don't take out your compost like this. Take it out like this.
Make a cross and here we go.
For some reason, that's better. I don't know why.
You do actually. But if they say
The bottom
So-
of a bottle, but I don't know.
I need to try it.
Yeah, you should try it. Maybe it'll like make it even more heavenly hair.
Maybe.
Okay, we're picking this up.
Uh-huh.
Maybe that kind of makes sense, I guess. Maybe?
Maybe. But
Guys, if you're aloe experts, tell us below. Do
Yeah.
any of these work?
please.
Because I'm just kind of unsure. Get rid of dark underarms, okay? I don't mind having dark underarms. Ooh.
Maybe you do, but they don't.
Nice aloe ice cubes, okay? Ugh. Aloe just doesn't have a nice texture. It's just... ugh.
But it's really helpful. I mean,
Ooh.
I guess.
You can make makeup with aloe. Interesting.
You can, as we can see, you can do everything.
Yeah. You can
Where-
also make makeup with a Sharpie.
Oh,
I wouldn't recommend it.
no. What is this, man?
Ah, making a face mask. All right.
Okay.
Leave for 5 minutes and it does nothing.
Maybe that's something.
Agar, chia
Uh,
in a boiler. What are we making here? Okay.
I'm speechless.
I have gotten no information from this.
Information.
The only one I know is true is the one if you have like a scratch or something and you put some aloe on it, it's gonna take down the inflammation. Ooh,
Wow.
that was cool.
It was. Yeah. How's the name of this?
The Venus flytrap.
Nice.
Okay, we got some tape around the hand. Ooh. Get rid of some icky pests.
Uh-huh.
All right. A nice snail.
For what?
I don't know, just to show a snail, I guess. Oh, so that they can't. Vaseline stops snails.
Protect it. Okay.
Ooh, what is that?
It's
It looked like a mole. Yeah, moles.
mole. It's mole.
Ah,
Oh.
who is this guy?
Who is this?
Who's that?
Does it? He's there. Oh,
Oh.
scary dog.
Orange soda. Okay. Is this like a cockroach prevention tip?
I don't know. It's like a
Ah, it's a trap.
trap. Yeah, trap.
Ugh.
Oh. Yeah, they could go in.
Because they
but-
smell the sugar. They're like,
It's good work. And another thing to protect.
from insects.
That's good work.
We got a rat. No,
Oh,
not the rat!
no! Run, run!
Safe rat trap. Okay. So far, it looks like a toilet.
We'll see now.
Ah.
Wait, and
So it's for one rat.
yeah,
Someone should
it's
have
safe,
told,
but it will not.
someone should have
get anyone.
told Tom from Tom and Jerry how to do that.
Yeah.
Would have had a lot of a shorter career.
Is it CGI?
Yeah, it looked like CGI insects.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, we know-
Smelling.
We know this one as well, huh?
Yeah, we know her.
Interesting.
Write us in a comment if you recognize her.
Yeah, who is she? Coffee. Everyone knows that they're allergic to caffeine.
Wha-
They
Yeah?
yeah, snails only
Everybody.
drink
Yeah. that's
decaf
right.
coffee.
Oh.
Okay, so we got, what is it? It looks like a balloon type thing. Oh, it's like a scarecrow?
I guess so. Yeah. The
Yes.
in a wedding dress.
A wedding scarecrow.
Okay.
Getting married is scary. Nice.
Is it a message?
I think it's a message from 5 Minute Crafts that they're not ready to commit yet.
I don't agree with this message.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
Yeah, I believe in marriage.
You believe in marriage? That's cute.
But cockroach.
No, insect catcher.
This
Ooh.
gadget. Wow.
That looks kind of cool. Oh, I like it.
I love it. I love it.
I want one.
it. I want it. I need to buy
Beer. Everyone knows that they're raging alcoholics.
it. Yeah.
Snails. Everyone knows that.
Ooh.
Ooh. Snails are like
Friday.
kind of cute, but also kind of weird. You know,
They dead.
a little uncomfortable. Yeah, it looked like they were, but I don't know. Liquid marshmallow. It's a glue trap.
Uh-huh.
Plastic pipe to perfect. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Protect it from the leaf trimmer. What is that called? The grass trimmer. Weed whacker.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, water makes plants grow. Who knew?
They they ate tomato there, right?
Ah, okay.
So
Some
okay.
tomato.
And what is this? Oh,
It's a support for a vine. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Hey. All right. Yep. Just making holes for your plants to go in.
It's looked obvious, right?
Yeah. To me, it looked pretty obvious.
So we saw it, right?
Yeah. This one's.
Okay.
Give us more.
More reactions.